Hi, welcome to the craft guide of the foldable dice tower. You need scissor, pen, knife, ruler and PVA white glue. Let's cut and remove the 4 rectangular pieces. There you go. Let's cut all the parts out from the template. This is an inkless pen. Use it to score the folding line. Let's fold the scored line. Let's glue and attach the flap. Please be aware of the part orientation during attachment. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Put on the glue here. Insert the part until it reaches the line. Stop. Please be aware of the part orientation during attachment. Press to attach the inner flap. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Slot in here. And here. Well done. Let's learn how to dismantle. Let's unfold to dismantle. Make it flat. And you can keep it inside a game box. If you want to know more, like and subscribe our channel for upcoming craft and play guide.